Calculus 1, we're going to talk about something called summations today. Summation is symbolized by this, and it's really just saying I'm going to take a function and I'm going to add each function up depending on what the function is. So for instance, let's say we had something that looked like this. Well, there's really, we know that this is right here essentially where you start. So we'd start with our 1, and this is where you finish. We finish with our 3, but there's a problem here. There is nothing to put into. There's no I in the equation. So really, if you were going to do this and work out this summation, you would just do 4. That's the first one. How many do we have? That would count as the first one. This counts as the second one. That counts as the third one. Nothing to put the numbers into, so we're just going to do 3 because we start at 1 and end at 3, and the summation is 12. So let's do one that is more than likely kind of what you're going to see. So if you have something that looks like this, now this one's a little bit more of what you're going to see. So we're going to start plugging a 0 in. Now we have to go up 1, 2 to 3 because remember, this is where we start, this is where we finish. So our start would be 3 to the 0 over 0 plus 1. Then we'd put 3 to the first over 1 plus 1. Then we do 3 to the second over 2 plus 1. And then we do 3 to the third over 3 plus 1. So hopefully you could see here now what we're really talking about. We're talking about taking these numbers and placing them into the function. In the one we did above, there was really no place so to plug it in, so that's why it was just the 4. But here we can actually work this out. So this becomes 1 over 1. This becomes 3 over 2. This becomes 9 over 3. And this becomes 27 over 4. Now we're not done because these are summations, so you have to actually add them up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add these up. And then I'm going to get a common denominator of, it looks like 4. So this will be 16 fourths plus 6 fourths plus 27 fourths. And then I'm just going to add those top numbers up, and it's going to be 16 plus 6 plus 27. It's going to give me 49 fourths. And essentially you can leave it like that. That's your answer. But these are summations. We will be dealing a lot with these in calculus. This is just a quick review up to where you've gotten so far in your math walk.